Ah, springtime. Flowers, sunshine, and sneezing? Let's find out why. Spring allergies, also known as hay fever, are caused by pollen from blooming plants. When pollen enters our noses, our immune system thinks it's under attack. The result? Histamines are released, which lead to itching, runny noses, and, you guessed it, sneezing. But don't worry, there are ways to fight back. Try staying indoors during high pollen times, using air purifiers, and taking antihistamines. And here's a pro tip: shower before bed to wash off any pollen. So next time spring has you sneezing, you'll know why. Want more tips on staying healthy and happy? Hit that subscribe button and join our community. See you in the next video.